Hi everyone, I hope you're doing very well today. Thanks for all your comments from my previous video. Today I want to concentrate, I will dive into this second element of branding. Remember, the definition of branding is a continuous process of providing to your customers and leads with the power of your brand. If you remember from my very first video, I told you you're not providing products and services. That's the obvious thing. In this commercial transaction, your customer will pay for your product and services, and you will provide your product and services in return. That's the obvious thing. But regarding branding, that's not the thing you will provide. You will provide with the power of your brand. On the next videos, I will dive in detail what the power of a brand is. But you know, to make it simple today, for the explanation, is the power of your brand is that what makes you unique, what makes your brand unique, is that unique thing that makes you different, that makes your brand purposeful. I think we can agree that we live in a world today where everything is very easily copied. I mean, you can copy recipes, you can copy ideas, you can copy concepts, you can copy products and services. But there is something that cannot be copied, and that's your passion, that's your purpose. That's what you deliver to your prospects and customers. That's what you deliver to your leads, your passion, the way how you do the things, the way how you manage your business, the way how you commit yourself to your customer, how you commit your product of being a source of help to your customers. That thing cannot be easily copied, actually cannot be copied. And that's what you have to provide. You will be providing guidance, you will be providing help to your customer. Bear in mind that your leads will be in this journey trying to understand and to take the right decision towards your product and towards your product or your competitors among your segment or your market. So you have to be in a position where you are the guide or the person, you are the brand who will guide them through that process, answering their question, providing the guide, the resources for them to take the right decision. That's the way how you provide value. That's the way how you are different in your market. So that's it for today. I wanted to be very clear on this definition about providing, because you are not providing a product or service. You are providing the power of the brand, that thing that makes you purposeful, that your passion, your purpose, that what makes you unique. So that's why, and I'm ending now, that's why I always, remember you in my invitation is do marketing and do it with purpose. Because once you do your things, your purpose, you put it in place, everything changes around your brand. So thank you for all. I hope I wait for all your comments and insights and doubts, and more than happy to answer for you. So see you then, and cheers. Thank you.